Hey everyone, welcome to the second devlog video for my upcoming virtual reality game called Eerie Escape. So I spent the last few days writing code for three crucial game mechanics: grabbing, docking and pulling. As you can see in the footage here, I'm now able to grab the battery and throw it around. Now Oculus provides some sample code for things like grabbing and locomotion, but I find the code they wrote very messy and it often contains too much stuff that I simply don't need. That's why I prefer to write my own code for grabbing, so I know exactly how it works, and it's a lot easier to fix and extend your own code than someone else's. The basic code for grabbing is pretty straightforward. It's only when I start considering all the edge cases that things get a bit more complicated. For example, what happens when a few objects are in grabbing range of a hand? Well, in this case, the closest one is being grabbed. Or what happens when an object is already grabbed by the left hand, but the right hand tries to grab it too? Well, in this case, ignore the right hand until the left hand releases the object. Also, the tricky thing was writing the code so that when grabbing, you actually see the hand grabbing the object and not the hand ending somewhere inside the object or disappearing completely like you see in some of the other VR games. It took me a while to finish the code for this, but the end results look pretty nice, I think. I have also finished writing the code for docking logic. So you can see in the video, after docking the battery inside the panel, it goes through a pretty cool animation. The code I wrote for docking and grabbing is fairly flexible, so I can now add new grabbable and dockable objects with minimum amount of new code required. The only thing that will differ between objects is their position with respect to the hand when being grabbed and the docking animation after being docked. The last bit I worked on was pulling mechanics. With that done, I can now pull on the lever you see above. I should be able to reuse this code for things like rope pulling or rotating handles and some other stuff as well. My task for the upcoming week is to finish the tutorial bits for the first room, which is not really an escape room, but an introductory room that will teach players the basic game mechanics. My voiceover artist also finished some lines for the tutorial, so I'm looking forward to incorporating that into the game to add to it an extra level of polish. So this is it for this devlog video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.